This lesson is 4.2 in Go Math on finding remainders. The directions for numbers 1 through 8 say use counters to find the quotient and remainder. If you need to get an extra piece of paper to help you draw this out, you totally can. All right, so for number 1, they are going to be dividing it into 4 groups. So that will help you. 4 groups right here. You're going to divide 13. Let's go ahead and we'll do number 2, 24 divided by 7. Now, how many groups am I going to draw pictures of? 7, yeah. So something that takes less space is to use the boxes. So I'm going to draw 7 boxes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7. Okay? So I've got 7 boxes. Everyone's doing this with me. All right, and I'm going to count how many times? 24, and see how many I can fit exactly into each box. The ones that don't fit are left out. They're the remainders. So let's count 24 times. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, count with me, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Am I going to have enough to keep going through?
No.
Okay, if I do not have enough to go through, then I do the extras out. So I left on 21, 22, 23, 24, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now the answer is how many fit in each of the boxes exactly. So if we look in each of those boxes, how many fit in there? 3. Good. So we write 3 and an R for remainder. And how many did not fit?
3.
Also 3. So our answer is 3, remainder 3. Okay, let's do another one just because 5, 6, 7, and 8 are written a little differently. It's the same thing. It's the same idea. Let's look at number 7. Okay, so how many groups am I going to have?
3.
Also 3 groups. So I'm going to draw 3 boxes here. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Now, how many am I going to try and fit in the boxes?
17.
17. I'm going to change my color again. So 17. So I'm going to count up to 17. You should be doing this with me. Okay, let's count up to 17 and see how many we can fit into each box. All right, here we go. 1, 2, count with me, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Am I going to have enough to keep going?
Yeah.
Well, I'm on 15 and I'm going to 17 and I have 3 boxes. Am I going to have enough to keep going? No. So 15, 16, and 17 are left out. So now I have to look in each box. How many was I able to fit in each box?
5.
5. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 5. Remainder
2.
2. Good. So 5 were able to fit in each box. 2 were left out. So those are the remainders. So the answer is 5, remainder 2. Let's do a problem for 9 and 10. Would you like to do 10 or 9?
9.
9. Okay, let's do 9. So draw a quick picture to help. How many boxes am I going to draw? 3. Good. So I have 3 boxes. I can even draw it down if I want, as long as I have 3 boxes. Okay, I'm going to change my color so you can see the difference as well. And I'm going to count how many? 14. Okay? Let's see how many we can fit in each box to make them all even. Remember, the quotient has to be exact, has to be even. Okay, here we go. Let's count up to 14. So we have 1, count with me, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Can I keep going?
No.
So 13 and 14 are left out. All right, so my answer is going to be
4. Remainder 2.
4, because that's what fits into each of the box. That's the quotient. Remainder, and how many?
2.
2. 4, remainder 2. Okay, so 11 pretty much sets it up for you. Let's look at the problem. There is a problem here, and it has something to do with the remainder. Okay, now you have to remember, if the remainder is bigger than how many boxes you have, then you have to keep dividing. All right? So you can see in number 11, our remainder is bigger than how many boxes we have. So that has something to do with what's wrong with it. And number 12, it says describe a real life situation where you would have a remainder. You could do something like you're playing a game, or you could talk about when you make so many cookies and you only have so many people, and there are leftovers to where someone doesn't get a whole cookie by themselves. That would be a good real life situation. All right, go ahead and work on your homework.